Gemini, this is your channel messages for the... What the fuck was that? For the 15th of June. Gemini, I want... You remember when COVID-19 just started and they had the curfew? Why did they have curfew? Was the curfew supposed to stop people from getting infected in the nights? Why was there a curfew when COVID-19 just started? I feel like there was a curfew because they needed to see where somebody was at a certain time. I have reason to believe that COVID-19 is not a virus, but it's a person. It's a host, it's a carrier, right? What was the significance of people being locked up inside after a certain hours having curfew with COVID-19? What was the significance about that? Is it that you could have catch it faster in the nights than days? Because people fuck day too. So what was the significance about COVID-19 and people? I feel like they were trying to see who was on the road. Me feel like they are trying to monitor someone's okay, I thought okay. I feel like them was trying to monitor someone's them they trying to see if I'm getting something about two. There's two people, two of them. Or if I not two, it is deemed as this person and somebody else. I'm getting on a little one see if somebody this is so weird. I can't get the words out. I'm getting on a wanted to see if somebody was doing something in the nights. Or something that take place in the nights when I had to stop or I had to monitor. Which is why the curfew came into action. We're getting something about... We're getting something like FBI investigation. Like, this is huge, man. We're getting a big investigation. The ambulance? It's a firefighters? What the fuck is that? Police? What was the significance about that? Why was everybody supposed to stay in them house at nights? Let's go. We got aliens. Oh my fucking god! It's Draconium. Yeah, aliens. All right. Yeah, that me getting somebody that want to know somebody movement. That's why the whole curfew came into place, because me getting somebody was doing something in the evening, in the nights. And a lot of community watchers was there watching. A lot of police officers was on site trying to see if this person would have made the move in the night. Alien. Right after me left, it's right after me did leave the basement of where I was blood clotting trapped, right, for the fucking 7 months. I'm a blood clot life in Canada. Right after me leave and go my first shelter, COVID starts in Canada. As if I was deemed to be dead. And I was just supposed to hide away in a basement for all my life. And then when I came out of that basement and went into the government public system, they were like, nah, bitch, you dead. So what the fuck, right? Aliens. Coming out first. Let's continue the reading. We got take a break. Woohoo. I'll take a break when my spaceship comes back. We got magic. Yeah, you're trying to get somebody to stop doing what they're doing. Got you, bitch. Someone's an alien. You're trying to use normal magic on the fucking DNA of a fucking alien. It's not gonna work. It's not human. It's not a humanoid. Duh. We got the magician. Magic and the magician to fuck. Or I'm getting catch me on the go, Houdini. Everybody knows. Prove you got the right to please me. Everybody knows. Catch me on the go, Houdini. Magic and the magician. You cannot... Someone may be a magician, but you're an alien. There are different laws. 11:11. One more. An Illuminati. Everybody knows. Prove you got the right to please. Prove you got the right to please me. Everybody knows. Catch me on the go, Houdini. Oh. Everybody knows. Catch me on the go, Houdini. Are you ready to see the alien's face? Are we ready for the face reveal? Here is the face reveal. Hi, how are you? Hi, it's me. It's me. Let us go ahead and go into your fucking reading. Gemini, what the fuck? Gemini. You know, there's something I'm going with Gemini. Every time Illuminati card come out, it always frequent Gemini reading. Gemini, who is you? What are you doing? And if you're in love with a Taurus, sometimes Gemini and Taurus get along very, very well, you know. It depends on the moon signs, though. Because Taurus, one thing with Taurus, though, Taurus don't mind falling back and make Gemini talk. Tauruses don't mind to fall back and make Gemini exercise them mental prowess. Like Taurus may actually be the more intelligent one, but they will make Gemini, if they're in a relationship, they will make Gemini look like they're the more intelligent one. But if there comes a time when Taurus have to show them intelligence, and if the Gemini is jealous of the intelligence what Taurus have, that's where it's not going to work. But if the Gemini is like, shit, Taurus, really? Damn, yeah, you smart as fuck. You see, that's why I picked you. That's why I like you, because you're smart as fuck. Then it's okay. Let's go. We got the Ace of Swords. I'm getting the truth, okay? You're going to find out the truth about a situation, all right? We got the Hangman. And we got the Sun card. I'm also getting something about fingerprints. I'm getting someone's alive after all this time. You thought somebody died. I'm also getting something about a missing flight. Like something about a flight that people did take and the flight never showed up. The flight did deem to be missing, but I'm getting the flight did land. I don't know if it's because of who was on the flight. Me getting somebody was on that flight. The flight did deem that the flight never land, or them said the flight did go missing, or them said the flight did crash. The flight never crashed. The flight did land. It may have land a different place in the airport. Me getting that's what the fuck this was. Me getting someone's alive after all this time. You never fucking know. Or me getting you keep a try look upon something, you try research, and something just a ride in until it says something up. Or something it's like yes, somebody else. I don't know this. What was it? Wasn't this one of the victims on the news where they said the flight did crash? And me getting you look upon the person. Me getting the flight never crash. Me getting everybody was okay. The flight did land. Or somebody may have left them country with one identity and came to another country with a new one. We got the Page of Swords. We got the Moon card. And we got the Page of Cups. And we got the Knight of Wands. Me getting online, something online. Or you gonna find out the truth of the situation online. Yeah, the same night thing. What was the significance of having a curfew during COVID-19? Did anybody really question this and ask themselves? I mean, we know what the government told us. Yeah, we know that in order to protect the citizens. And sometimes that's why the government have to lie, you know. Because if them give you every information them get, and they go and freak the fuck out. So they don't know what to do. You're not the ruler of... You're not fucking Rob Ford. You're not fucking Rob Ford. Shut the fuck up. You thought you were fucking Rob Ford? You're fucking not. It's but Roman. You're not fucking Rob Ford. You're not. You're fucking nuts. What the fuck you thought this was, ho? Anybody did really question it? What was the significance of having to stay somewhere in the nights? You couldn't leave your house. You couldn't leave your house, or you had to get letters. You had to get a letter from your workplace to say that you are at work, right? So if police did stop you, you could have showed the police the letter. So what that did leave everybody else? Because the only persons who would have been on the street who could not prove why they were supposed to be there was sex workers and drug addicts. Right? Let's hear the police again. I don't know how I go on today. I don't know what the fuck's happening today. One more and I'm gone, Gemini. We got abundance. We got addiction. Yeah. Only drug addicts would have been out in the nights. drug dealers, maybe people who was prostituting, right? Because everything was locked down after a certain time, remember? And stabbed in the back. Or maybe when it wasn't supposed to be outside, so no want to see something. Because somebody have to control the masses. So they want to see something that was happening in the nights during that time. I'm going to leave it here, Gemini. Until next time.